morning, San Diego. I just woke up.
No shoes.
With these two beautiful girls. There's another one eating lumpia. Yeah.
And this one's pants are gonna fall off.
Follow and subscribe. Said subscribe.
Subscribe.
Okay, let's go. So I need to bring this one. So we will go in the store. Well, so we can buy sunscreen. You have sunscreen?
Yeah, we'll get some.
But we need to get Ella's shoes or flip-flops.
No shoes.
No shoes. Show your new shoes. Show your no shoes. No shoes.
We're ready to go.
Okay, we'll close the door.
Please
Okay.
subscribe.
Be careful, okay? Then you can be my camera woman.
Let's go, man.
Give me. I will just lock this one. Okay. Say something. Well, you don't. That's how the blogger is. You have to say something.
Oh, say something.
You say something.
Say something.
Yeah. We're getting. You tell them. We're getting my flip-flops.
We are getting the shoes.
Not shoes. Flip-flops. Give me a second. We don't have the key.
Somebody's knocking at the door.
Be careful, okay?
Oh, that was easy. I opened the door for you.
Yeah, sure. Big one, small one.
Big one, small one, little one.
You have to hold, okay? Not shaking. So the people will watch that grown up. Only
And they don't
small
have to see your butt
though.
crack.
Look how you have to look the screen, how it looks like when you do vlogging. If it is center,
Are we going to the store today?
yes. Someone is doing that thing here, doing the business.
Sue.
You want to put everything? I'll help you.
Sue.
Can I everything, right? Or just break in the center?
Say something. Hey, Max. Max is on screen.
Come on.
Give me a second, honey. Give me a second.
We gave you 5 minutes.
Give me a second. We're doing business here.
We're doing business.
We are? Oh, okay, I'm sorry. Your girls are all doing business?
Yeah, business. I'm following Max.
She's got a really hard head. Just like her little
Video.
We're all walking into our room. Do not be surprised. That's really messy.
Honey.
So let's go to the room and get the flip-flops.
No, we saw that. She might be in the shower. Well, she's in the shower.
If you want to do that to yourself, you have to do that so you can see how your
Ah.
face looks like.
Hello.
How's it going?
Okay, we're here to get flip-flops.
Flip-flops. Get your flip-flops, Ella. Here. I put up here.
Don't let yourself get on the screen.
Don't put me on the screen.
And then what is,
So.
is Jessie coming over?
I'm not on the screen.
Yeah, you're on the
No.
screen.
It's facing to her.
We are laughing.
Yes.
No time.
And so she was, I can't even,
You can?
she had a fortune cookie breakfast.
Oh, okay.
You had a fortune cookie for breakfast without us?
I know, right? She is leaving the hotel. She was going to get breakfast.
We are here, kids are digging, and the two boys is there in the shade. It's so hot. So hot here, guys.
Now you say it's hot.
Yeah, there's an airplane, another aircraft. Yeah, it's hot. You're not hot? I'm hot. This is summer here, not the winter.
Now you say it's hot.
Yes! Oh yeah! Finally I say it's hot! Because they're from Oregon and they're walking with shorts and everything. And they're asking me, why are you hot? Because I'm from Las Vegas.
Las Vegas.
Las Vegas indeed. So you want to bury your feet? I will bury your feet. Give me your Anna. Give me your.
I want to be Ayla.
Okay. Okay. If you can dig me like Long enough for my feet, yes.
Alright.
Use your shovel. You cannot make it. There's other one here digging her feet. That's not digging, Ella. That's not digging.
That's being lousy.
I have a big hole in there.
Hey, there's something we got for you.
So we're just enjoying
Lazy.
here.
What?
He's lazy.
Who is lazy?
So is Max.
Oh.
Yeah, Max is tired. Max is a little pillow, so.
Max
Okay.
is lazy.
Okay, dig. If you can bury me, you can bury my whole body. It's okay. You know how to do that? No?
I do. Can we just bury your head?
No, just, I'm laying down. You have to bury me laying down, except my face. I want to see the world. Okay, let's bury our face. So this is our morning, guys. Our 4th day in San Diego, right? 3rd morning, but the 4th day in San Diego. So we're going back to the city tomorrow. Tomorrow, right? What time is your flight?
It's at 1.
1 o'clock? Oh, okay. So we will bring you guys at the airport and we're heading home. We're heading to the real world, Las Vegas. Can see the toe? I will find the toe here. There's a toe here. I'll find the toe, honey. Well, who will break that out first will get a candy in the candy store. 1, 2, no, 1, 2, 3, go, 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 girls, go, 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 go. Go, help your sister, help your sister. It's the teamwork. That is a teamwork. Be careful of that one. You will scratch your sister's legs. Just be careful. That's a teamwork. That's a teamwork. It's a teamwork.
And I feel like a crab's pinching me.
That's a teamwork. There's no candy in the candy store. If one will bear it, okay. You got it, girl. Yay! Survive. You're a survivor. What happened to... Are you sure? Or are you playing games? Come on, don't lie. You can get your hand. Good actor. Sitting down while waiting for Ken, buying a sunscreen in the store inside the hotel. So, of course, hindi na naman ako naghilamos, di ba? That's life. That's real life, guys. Yung laging nakaharap sa camera with the makeup is not real life. This is real life. That is real life. Yeah. Oh, Ken is there! Ken is there! Ken is there! Ken is there! Ken is here. It's time for lunch. We're heading to get lunch in a Five Guys. Not the Four Guys. It's a Five Guys. That's where we get our lunch. Right, Max? Yeah, Max say yes. Yeah. So this is our 4th day in San Diego. But and we are just decided to just go swimming in the pool. Little windy, but I don't know. Okay. It's so hot because I'm 74. Oh, it's windy. So we're heading to Five Guys. Do you think they're mahi-mahi, honey? Salad? Is that...
Yeah, I think you might like it, sweetheart.
Is that a salad?
Huh?
A salad?
Yeah.
Yeah.
They're getting a chicken salad.
Yeah, I can try.
Mahi mahi.
Did I tried mahi before?
Yes, you like it.
Okay, we're heading to the Five Guys, not the Four Guys. So I need to open the door for Maxi, for the Majesty. Another door for the Majesty. We're in the Five Guys now, doing orders. The Five Guys.
And then science said you don't come for a 4 months, so we got to be one with the 4 months.
Max, what are you getting? Why your tongue is out?
You ready?
Are you thirsty?
You want something, Rick? With just ketchup. Okay. A small fry. 2 vanilla shakes. And 2 chocolate shakes. To go.
Alright, so I got 2 hot dogs plain, a cheeseburger with ketchup, a little fry, 2 vanilla milkshakes, and 2 chocolate milkshakes.
Yep.
So your total will be $58.21.
Alright. Grilled chicken salad with extra dressing.
Are you guys ready or you guys need more time?
So we have here $20 for the Rubios. 50 for the Five Guys, not the Four Guys.
I should go get coffee. Can you listen for those while I get coffee?
Yeah, so we're just waiting for our name to be called for the Five Guys and the Rubios. Five Guys and the Rubios. We already have our drink.